Hello little artist, in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw your own silly bird. For this project we used oil pastels and watercolors, however you can use any materials you have available. We're going to start with a black pastel to draw his beak. Using my extra hand as a guide, I find the middle of the paper and then I'm going to draw his beak above the middle, starting with just one little bump. Then on each side of the bump I extend his beak outward, making it as big as I would like, and then adding almost a triangle at the bottom. Since I'm using oil pastels and can layer them, I'm going to go ahead and color in his beak orange and then add some details. Next, I'm going to draw him two nice, large, round eyes. When drawing the pupils inside the eyes, you can place them wherever you would like. I decided that my bird would look a little crazy, so I pointed one eye one direction and the other the opposite direction. Don't forget that while you're coloring in the pupil, that you need to leave a little white highlight. Now I'm going to choose two different colors for the bird's body. I'm going to choose one of those colors to start adding feathers coming from his beak going straight up between his eyes. These feathers should fill in between his eyes. I'm going to go under his eyes with my second color and add feathers coming straight out past his eyes and his beak. I will continue to add these feathers around his beak, and then as I go further down his beak, I'll switch to my second color to add more feathers. For his neck, I'm going to draw two lines. I want these lines to be pretty close together so that his neck will look nice, long, and skinny. These two lines should extend all the way down to the bottom of the paper. To fill in his neck, I'm going to use layers of feathers, switching between the two colors to make it appear to be stripes. Again, make sure that his neck continues all the way to the very bottom of the paper and extends off the paper. To personalize your bird, you can add some eyelashes if you would like. To fill in the background, I decided to use a white oil pastel to create polka dots all over the background. Then we went back with watercolors and painted over the whole background, creating a watercolor resist. The oil and the oil pastels resisted the watercolor and filled in the rest of the background. Here are a few pieces of artwork completed during this project by some of my first graders. I hope you enjoyed this project and created some of your own fun, silly birds.